Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymakers. This is one. In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple strategy to make some awesome money online. And this is going to be a little bit of a long-term strategy. I'm not going to say that you are going to earn just after watching this video. It may take some time, but you will surely earn some good amount of money after watching this video. And if you apply this strategy, you can even make a ton of money, even thousands of dollars with this strategy. So stick in this video till the end to understand the entire process. And if you want to know what the greatest opportunity to make money online, you can check out the second link in the description. That's something which can really help you to make some awesome money online. That's a system which I am personally using. So now let's get jump into the content. Okay, so the first thing is you need to do is you need to go to this website which is known as keyword sheeter. Okay, and I just typed in this keyword which is really simple, and that is what can we say that best clothing for men. Okay, so you can see it has almost provided me with 288 keywords. Okay, now all these keywords are the topics on which I can create different type of content. I can write articles on this stuff, or I can make videos about this stuff. I'm gonna show you how you can make really basically easiest videos ever, and you can use all these keywords and make money out of them. How you are gonna do this is what I'm gonna explain to you in this video. Okay, so first thing is that go to here and you just need to type in any simple keywords. For example, I type the keyword best clothing for man, and you can see all these different types of topics just came appearing to me. There are 289 topics, so I can just make a video on every single topic which is available over here. Okay, so that's the first thing which you need to do. Now the second step is that you have found all the topics which you will require to make this. Okay, make these videos happen for you, because most of the people burn out on YouTube. They are most of the people are never able to think out how many topics are available for their niche in which they are going to open a channel. So I have provided you all this really awesome tools which we are using to find everyday new topics for our new videos, so you can just use this. Okay, so we are gonna I'm gonna show you a channel which is in the fashion niche, and you can see that that's the reason why I have opened this and I have searched all these keywords. Okay, now that's done. Now the second step is that you just need to see this video, and this is really insane, because what this guy is doing is that he has just you can see he has just very simple videos of these models wearing different outfits. Okay, so he has here given top 6 shirts every man should have. Okay, and you can see that it's really simple. Okay, so he has just posted some of the photos of different models wearing different shirts or t-shirts. Okay, and he is just giving us very basic voiceover, just explaining about that this is the best shirt which you can wear, or you can just read whatever about the shirt, that this is a really good looking color and the shirts really look awesome and you can wear this on casual parties and all this stuff. And that's the very basic voiceover which this guy is giving in this video, and you can see he has almost more than 100,000 views on his videos. And what you can do is you can make this type of very simple videos, and you can just make a video on all this. Okay, top 12 best shirts. I'm not gonna say that you should go for top 10, because for the top 10 there is a huge competition, but for top 12, top 6, top 3, top 2, top 1, okay, there is no top 1 or top 2. But for those keywords there is no competition, so you can just go for these keywords and just make content on these keywords. Now how will you make content? It's really very simple. All you need to do is just find this type of content. Okay, then what you need to do is you just need to sign up for Amazon affiliates program. Now this guy has made this video. Okay, he is trying to sell all these shirts, but the problem is that he hasn't provided any Amazon affiliate links in the description. If he had provided the Amazon affiliate links in the description, then there would be a huge chance that he would have made a ton of money with this just one video. And that's the mistake with this guy is making. So what you need to do is you need to find out all the you just need to go to Amazon, search for the best top 10 shirts for men, or top 10 shirts for women, top 10 t-shirts for men, all this type of keywords, and you will find a lot of them. All you need to do is download the images from Amazon, okay, and then you can just make a compilation video out of it. That very simply, if you want to make a compilation video, it's your choice. If you don't even want to give a voiceover, you can just play some of the awesome music or copyright free music in the background of the video, and you can just make this type of very simple videos using this very simple software which is known as OpenShot, which is available absolutely for free. Okay, so you can just download this software and you can just start doing it. Okay, because OBS is open, I cannot open that software, but it's really simple. All you need to do is go to openshot.org and you can find a ton of videos which will teach you how to create compilation videos with OpenShot. Now, you are gonna ask me that how will you create this simple compilation video? So you can just go to YouTube and you can search for best how to make compilation video with OpenShot. Okay, and you will see a lot of people are teaching this stuff. Okay, so you can see that you have got the idea from where you are gonna learn about the software and how you are gonna make a compilation video utilizing OpenShot. And that's really simple because you have learned the software, you have got the software. It's one of the easiest one. All you need to do is place your images into the software and you are just ready to go. Just watch out some of these videos and learn how to make a compilation videos with this type of very simple images. And all you need to do is just place those images into the software. If you want to add a voiceover, it's your choice. You can also add your voiceover, and then you can just start uploading these videos to your own YouTube channel. And the thing is that you are going to monetize this with Amazon's affiliate program, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money out of it. Because most of the people who are searching for top 10 shirts or top 10 t-shirts are definitely the audience who are interested in buying their clothes, and that's the reason why you can do a great chunk of Amazon affiliate commissions with this very simple unique strategy and very simple niche. Okay, and you can make a ton of content on this because there are literally thousands of keywords. Okay, so you won't run out of topic because you can see there are almost 500 keywords on which you can make this very simple videos, and there are millions of products which are available on Amazon. You just need to go to Amazon, search in some of the keywords, search in some of the products, just download the images of those products, just create a compilation videos about them, and just upload it to your YouTube channel. And that's a very simple way in which you're gonna make a simple as well as a great way to make some awesome money online. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and do press the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this super awesome videos for you. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.